All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks. It's a 2018 Nissan Altima. It is the 2.5 SL model. This beautiful charcoal gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, heated seats, dual AC controls, fog lights, super nice. Only 10,000 miles on this vehicle. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks nice. Your front hood looks good. It's got a dent here, no paint off, about 3 inches. Fender looks pretty good. This is just some dirt. Car's been driven around. We're test driving it. All right, this is your your front driver's rim, very nice. And I see curbing. Your tire thread on this is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Rim. Rear driver's rim. Tire thread 9/32. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Very cool in this car frame. Seems to have taken a hit here on your B pillar. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Your heated seats right here. Steering wheel controls on both sides, and this is what your instrument cluster looks like. It does have an airbag light on, and your mileage of 10,900 even. Very nice. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk, which is right here. This is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your rear trunk lid looks good. Here's your trunk space, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Does have some curbing. Actually, it's not curbing. Looks like just some dirt or something. Tire thread is over at 9/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, all the tears and rips looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no tears or rips. It is a powered seat. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, 10 or more. And tire thread. Over 7/32. And turn on the fog lights. The fog lights running. There they are. All right. But I didn't turn on the fog lights again. Well, folks, once again, this is the 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5 S model with 10,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.